Welcome back to day 2 of our 7-day English pronunciation challenge. Today, we're working on the sounds B and P, which can be challenging for certain non-native English speakers. These sounds are often confusing for English learners because they're both made with the lips. But with a little practice, you'll master the difference between the B and the P sound. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to clearly hear, feel, and say the difference between B and P. Let's get started. Let's break this down in a simple and clear way. First, we have the B sound, which is voiced. Gently press your lips together like this. Now release them while making a sound with your voice. Ba, ba. You should feel a little vibration in your throat. Now, let's try some words. Repeat after me. Bat, bat, big, big, bark, bark, boy, boy, and bass, bass. Now let's look at the P sound, which is voiceless. Again, the lips are going to be pressed together. This time, release them without using your voice. You'll feel a small burst of air. You can even try putting your hands in front of your mouth. Now try saying these words with me. Pat, pat, pig, pig, park, park, pie, pie, pace, pace. One quick tip. Want to test if you're saying the sounds correctly? Place your fingers on your throat. If you feel a vibration, it's a B sound that you're making. If you feel nothing and it's only air, you're making the P sound. Now, we're going to do some pronunciation practice with minimal pairs. These are word pairs that are exactly the same except for one sound, which is going to be either the B or the P sound. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Go slowly and exaggerate the sounds at first. This is going to help your brain and your mouth get used to them. Here we go. Bat, pat, big, pig, bass, pace, bark, park, bun, pun, bored, poured, berry, perry, best, pest, bin, pin, ball, Paul. Good job. Now, let's try a quiz style practice. I'll say one word and you guess whether it's a B or a P sound. Let me know the answers in the comments below. Ready? Number 1, pat. What sound did you hear at the beginning? Number 2, boy. Number 3, pig. Number 4, bun. And number 5, park. Now, let's put the sounds into short sentences. Focus on the first sound in each B or P word. I will say each sentence twice, first slowly and then normal speed. Repeat after me. The big pig ran to the park. The big pig ran to the park. Put the bun in the bag. Put the bun in the bag. Paul picked the best ball. Paul picked the best ball. She baked a pie with berries. She baked a pie with berries. I pressed the button and passed the test. I pressed the button and passed the test. Pack your backpack before you leave. Pack your backpack before you leave. Here are a few tips to help you improve even faster. Practice in front of a mirror. Watch how your lips move for B and P. It's always also a good idea to record yourself and play it back. Can you hear the difference when you say the words that start with B and P? Something else that can be interesting to try? Use tongue twisters. Practice this one, for example. It's very silly, but it gets that P and B sound for you. Peter's big backpack is packed with peanut butter balls. Peter's big backpack is packed with peanut butter balls. Try saying that 3 times quickly. Your challenge for today is to pick 5 minimal pairs from today's list. Say each one 3 times out loud, then record yourself and listen back. Can you hear the difference? Great job today. You're building strong pronunciation skills by practicing voiced versus voiceless sounds. Tomorrow, we'll focus on the short I sound as well as the long E sound. Another tricky pair that affects your clarity in English. So keep practicing, and I'll see you on day 3 of the challenge.